What's up, my name is Robert. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Tragedy by Nikita. This is a response to a request made by one of you guys. So guys, I always respond to requests. So always feel free to make your request in the comment area. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also give this video a thumbs up if it helps you out. It really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube. And with that aside, let's kick off right after this. Is in the key of A, and the progression is 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4, 3. So the 6 is F sharp minor chord, E major chord, D major chord, and C sharp minor chord. So this is the main chord progression from start to end. So there is no variation. You will play this progression from beginning to the end of the song. So the first chord, which is F sharp minor chord, I'm using my pointer finger to bar across the second fret, and then with my ring finger, string number 5 on the 4th fret, and my small finger, string number 4 on the 4th fret too. So this is F sharp minor chord. The chord that follows is E chord, E major chord, open chord. So I'm using my pointer finger on string number 3, 1st fret. You press that note, which is a G sharp note. My middle fingers on string number 5, 2nd fret, B note, and my ring finger, string number 4 on the 2nd fret too. So that's E major chord. The chord that follows is the D chord. This is just the normal D chord, open chord. I'm using my middle finger on string number 1, 2nd fret. My pointer finger, string number 3 on this is the 2nd fret too. String number 3 on the 2nd fret. My ring finger, string number 2 on the 3rd fret. So this is D major chord. So finally we have the C sharp minor chord. So the C sharp minor chord, I'm using my pointer finger to bar across string number 1 to string number 5, and then my middle finger, string number 2 on the 5th fret. My ring finger, string number 4 on the 6th fret, and my small finger, string number 3 on the 6th fret. I'm sorry guys, I have a cold. Bear with me. So that's C sharp minor chord. Well, those are the chords that make up that chord progression. So maybe on the strumming pattern, there's many ways that you can play this song, especially on the strumming patterns. You could just do downstrokes, straight 4 downstrokes that will follow the beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. But if you want at least maybe to match to that sound that you hear, okay, this song is mainly played on the keys, but there's that sound, that epic big sound that you hear when it's being played. So if you want to match at least that sound, you can this strumming pattern, so I'm strumming 3 downstrokes. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So the first downstroke is I'm hitting the strings harder than the 2 and 3. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 also slightly muting the strings, mostly on the second and the third downstroke, so that the first downstroke which I'm hitting the strings harder, I'm kinda not muting, but when I'm playing the 2 downstrokes that are following, I kinda mute the strings with my right arm. So that's how you could play this song. I tried to be as clear as possible, but if I wasn't clear in any way, you could let me know in the comment area, and I will of course revise. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up if it helps you out, and if you have any songs that you want me to do tutorials on, let me know in the comment area. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next tutorial.